In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get good at flying helicopters fast here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, I recommend loading into a custom training experience. This is by far the best way to practice without getting shot down every 10 seconds in multiplayer. You could easily search for one of these and join one yourself. To do this, go into the community tab down at the bottom, hit search experiences, and I recommend typing in something like helis and then search for it just like so, and you're going to find a bunch of different stuff, but I recommend filtering it specifically by the most like options because you're going to get specific maps for flying that are going to be rated highly, meaning that you're going to get in a plane or helicopter immediately. As we get loading in, you got to keep in mind that when you're flying, the most important thing to do is turn on helicopter control assist. This is going to help you so much, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. When you do get loaded in, it should look something like this though. But to actually turn on that helicopter control assist, simply go ahead and press the options button and then go over to your settings and go specifically into your controller settings and then select edit settings. If you scroll down on this page, you're going to see an option for aircraft and then specifically helicopter. Go into your control settings and then find this helicopter control assist and turn it on. This is going to let the game essentially auto hover for you so that you can focus on aiming and shooting instead of fighting the controls itself to fly. It makes a huge difference. You're going to stay more level, you're going to stay more smooth, and you're actually going to be able to hit your targets. But after getting that set up, essentially go up to one of these helicopters, enter in it just like so, and you'll be good to start learning how to fly. It really is pretty cool how this does work. I do recommend using this map pretty consistently because you'll learn how to fly pretty quickly. Just make sure that you do have show player created content on, otherwise you won't actually be able to access any of this stuff. But if you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.